had his own asshole behind him. 2 assholes.
Attention, reduce speed.
This guy's trying to like... What are you doing? Stop! Why is he filming us?
Cause he's trying to like, he was tailgating me, right? I'm trying to speed up. Go!
Don't hit the brake, just go straight.
I got that on dash cam. That's on dash cam. That's on dash cam. We didn't hit anything. Okay. Cool, dash cam. Can't make that up.
You what? You what? You what? You fuck. Dashcam, mate. Dashcam. He slammed his brakes on you, dickhead. I'm fucking. You went round the. I've got you, little fuck. Yeah. So what you're about? We'll see. We'll see. You fucking knob. What did you do? You went round the fucking road. You're in front of me, you prick. I'm pulling out the fucking. Where do you want me to go? You fucking went round that van. You went round that van. You went round that fucking van. We'll see what's wrong with insurance, pal. Yeah, you know what it is? Your car's alright, mine's not. I don't give a fuck.
Was available on terrestrial Egyptian TV and frankly TV throughout the Arab world. I think that there is a lot of solidarity in that part of the world. I know Ons Jabeur receives a lot of support when she plays in Dubai, for example. It's pretty unusual to see an Arab man or woman having success on the court. There are a lot of reasons for that. There's not the infrastructure and the federations in place to provide support for junior tennis players. I believe in some parts of those regions it is particularly
Shouldn't also be offering more time to vote, because the whole point of a liberal democracy is that everyone should have their voices heard. And so if there's room for New York to expand its early voting days, then by all means they should. But that's still zero justification for why Iowa is shrinking its own voting days. If your only excuse as to why you're making it harder for people to cast ballots is to point to some random state 1,000 miles away, then you might just be counting on yourself. Consider, too, there is only one party that has universally moved to restrict the right to vote. So I get that Joni Ernst would love nothing more than to pretend that New York and blue states are somehow the problem here when it comes to voting, but it's not the Democrats who introduced 440 voters.
Which works out actually for your schedule too.
I don't mind with my schedule though. Oh shit!
Hey, watch him, Josh. Watch him.